You've built an insightful Power BI report, and now you have to manually document entire report. It's time-consuming and exhausting. It's time to transform the way you work. Introducing Powerops' automated documentation. Save time and effort like never before. Automate your documentation with just a few clicks. Load your Power BI report or semantic model in Powerops Desktop. Click on Documentation. Select the details to include in report and hit Generate. Wait for a few minutes for documentation to generate. Since the documentation is ready, choose the file name and select the report format, either PDF or Word, as per your choice. And just like that, you can generate documentation with Powerops. Say goodbye to tedious tasks. Download Powerops today.